Hi, this is a presentation for the assignment 1. So in this assignment, if we go through the assignment list here, what we are going to do is we are going to compute the principal after compound. So basically here is the formula provided where P is the original amount and R is the interest rate per year, and N is the compound frequency, and T is the total time that this compound is computed for. So in this assignment, what we are given right here is we are given the initial value P to be 10,000, N to be 12, means that there's 12 months per year, and the annual rate is 8%. And we are trying to write some program to compute what is the final amount after t years, and t is given by the user input from the prompt. Okay, so here is my assignment right here. So basically here's my code where in the code here, first of all, I input some headers here. To print some headers here, which include my name, what is the assignment, and what is the course. And then I will have some fixed numbers that we have from the PDF file. And then we're trying to let the user input what is the length of the compound. And finally, we compute what is the output and print what is the output here. By here, I do a little trick here is where we know that the t here cannot be negative, because that's there's no meaning if you input a negative time for that. So I have a special while loop here that if we detect that the user inputted a negative value, then we ask user to input it again. Okay, so let's do some quick test here. So assignment. So here, as you can see here, I first print my name and some header here, and I ask the user to input number of years that user want to do. So we can do a basic check. So if the user input 0, which means that I don't want any time, then the output should be the original amount, which is 10K. And here is the result. The result will be 10K. Okay, let's do that again. So as I mentioned, if we enter a negative value, then the program won't accept that value and ask the user to input again. So let's do that. -1, and you can see that the number of years you enter must be non-negative. Please enter it again. So okay, so let's do it again. -10. No working, and if let's say 1, and now the program will output the final amount after 1 year, which will be 10K plus $830, which is actually my test cases here, because we can manually check that after 1 year we compute the final amount by this formula, and indeed the final answer is $10,830. So which means that our program correctly output the final value here. So I think that's all for this presentation.